This Republic Day, let us remember the makers of the Indian Constitution, who envisioned a nation that is sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and a republic. Republic Day is a moment of pride and reflection for our nation. It is a day when we honor the monumental efforts of the makers of the Indian Constitution, whose vision and dedication laid the foundation for a democratic and inclusive India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, often regarded as the principal architect of our Constitution, dedicated his life to fighting for equality and justice. His work ensured that the Constitution would protect the rights of all citizens, especially those who had faced discrimination for centuries. His commitment to social justice inspires us to work towards an India where everyone is treated with dignity and respect. B.R. Rao's understanding of global constitutions helped shape a framework that was uniquely Indian. His ability to balance international ideas with domestic needs created a document that could endure the test of time. He was an idealist and a strong constitutionalist whose vision was rooted in the principles of justice, equality, and adaptability. His work teaches us the value of learning from the world while staying true to our roots. Lakshayani Velutan, the first Dalit woman in the Constituent Assembly, fearlessly advocated for social equality and eradication of caste-based discrimination. Her courage inspires us to challenge inequalities and fight for a more inclusive society. N. Gopalaswamy Iyengar was instrumental in shaping the federal structure of India, ensuring that the Constitution upheld the unity of a diverse nation. His contributions remind us of the importance of harmony and cooperation in building a stronger India. Begum Aizaz Rasul, the only Muslim woman in the assembly, played a vital role in shaping minority rights and fostering inclusivity. The resolution she introduced to safeguard the interest of minorities went a long way in preserving the diversity of the nation. Her legacy teaches us the power of inclusion in building trust and harmony. Purnima Banerjee passionately fought for the inclusion of fundamental rights, ensuring that justice and equality were central to the Constitution. She advocated for the inclusion of the right to education and the right to livelihood and the right to earn an honorable living in the fundamental rights. These demands underscore the socialist influence on her vision, which is particularly significant given that socialism was later incorporated into the preamble of the Constitution. Her vision reminds us that the strength of a nation lies in its commitment to its citizens' rights. Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer was a staunch advocate for fundamental rights, ensuring that all individuals' freedom was safeguarded. His vision underscores the importance of protecting liberty and justice for every citizen. Hansa Mehta played a crucial role in ensuring that gender equality was enshrined in the Constitution, challenging stereotypes and breaking barriers. Her efforts inspire us to continue striving for a society free from gender bias. K.M. Bakshi brought India's rich cultural heritage into the Constitution, ensuring it reflected the soul of the entire nation while embracing modernity. He pushed for a united India, a strong center, and an integrated judiciary, laying the groundwork for a cohesive and resilient nation. His contributions remind us that progress thrives when rooted in cultural pride and shared values. As India's first health minister, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur fought for better healthcare and a healthier India. Her contributions remind us that the well-being of a citizen is the foundation of a prosperous nation. Govind Ballabh Pant worked to embed democratic ideals into the Constitution, ensuring liberty and justice were not merely ideals but lived realities. This dedication teaches us to remain vigilant in upholding the principles of democracy. Durgamai Deshmukh championed education and women's empowerment, advocating for policies that would uplift marginalized communities. Her work teaches us that a nation grows stronger when it invests in the potential of all its people. This Republic Day, let us remember the makers of the Indian Constitution, who envisioned a nation that is sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and a republic. As we commemorate their contributions, let us commit ourselves to upholding their vision, a vision of a united and diverse India. rooted in justice, strengthened by liberty, enriched by equality, and bound by fraternity. Their legacy inspires us to protect these values and to build a nation that remains steadfast in its principles, striving always for progress and harmony for generations to come.